Huh? Death Note? Literal na isang notebook of death. How to use it? The human whose name is written in this note shall die. Kalokohan. Ay nako, nakakatawa. Wala yung pinagkaiba sa mga chain letter. Ang pangalan ng tao na maisusulat ay mawawala. This note will not take effect unless the writer has the person's face in their mind when writing his or her name. Therefore, people sharing the same name will not be affected. If the cause of death is written within 40 seconds of writing the person's name, it will happen. If the cause of death is not specified, the person will die of a heart attack. After writing the cause of death, details of the death should be written in the next 6 minutes and 40 seconds. Ibig sabihin, pwede mong paslangin agad yung tao o pahirapan ng gusto, ganun ba? Napakadetalyado para sa isang kalokohan. Hindi na masama.